like, comment and subscribe this YouTube channel.
How to make your nose thinner naturally at home. Nose, being the most central and prominent feature on face, immediately catches people's attention. 1. Grasp the bridge of your nose with your thumb and index finger. Then, pull your upper lip down and release to exert pressure downwards against your index finger. Repeat 10 times and then relax. Use your other index finger to push the tip of your upwards. 2. Push the tip of your nose upwards with your index finger. For best results, perform this exercise 20 to 30 times a day. 3. Simply massage every part of your nose from the bridge and tip to the sides. Your fingers should move in a round motion. Massage your nose for around 5 times daily. Visit BillyHealth.com to know more about how to make your nose thinner naturally at home.